Everything you think about your potential is not fixed. It's a perception, not your destiny. What if I told you that science has uncovered mechanisms to reboot your mind, expand your capabilities, and reshape your future, and it happens at a subatomic level? What you're about to hear could change your life, from your goals to your growth, your career, even your creativity. Imagine a hidden network inside your brain, billions of neurons, zip codes of thoughts, habits, and beliefs. Neuroscientists say only 5% of it is conscious. The rest, 95%, is automatic programming. It's like a supercomputer running unseen code. Those old patterns, fear, procrastination, self-doubt, run on autopilot. But what if you could overwrite the code, reset the system to unlock productivity, motivation, innovation, the best version of you? Thanks to AI and neuroscience, we now have tools that act like a brain coach, mind movies and visualization apps that train your brain to think in success, neurofeedback devices that measure and rewire your brainwaves in real time. This isn't sci-fi. It's real tech that reshapes neural pathways, strengthens focus, and burns out negative patterns. Space exploration isn't just rockets, it's a mindset. From NASA's Apollo missions to SpaceX's Starship, engineers proved humanity can break limitations. And your life? Treat your dreams like an aerospace mission. Design your mission plan. Simulate, iterate, evolve. With the right calibration, you can launch your career or personal goals beyond everything you thought was possible. Quantum physics teaches us particles are entangled. They communicate instantly across space. If consciousness is a form of energy, your thoughts may be connected to reality, not just fleeting ideas. When you truly feel success, confidence, gratitude, drive, you generate a vibrational code that aligns your brain, body, and world. AI visualization tools help, but your emotion is the key. So how do you lock in that vibration? 3 essential steps. Visualize daily. Feel the success in your body. Use affirmations plus micro actions. Consistency rewrites your subconscious. Monitor your mind. Use AI tools. Brain.fm, Muse S, Focus at Will, or binaural beats apps. Combine these and you accelerate your neural firmware updates. Every transformation hits turbulence, a mental gravity well trying to pull you back. When that happens, notice old patterns. Recommit your intention silently. I am aligned with growth. Realign emotion with gratitude and forward focus. That's your mental thruster, pushing you beyond old limits. This is the future of self-development. Technology-guided neuroprogramming plus quantum mindset plus emotion-driven alignment. I'm launching a 21-day Neuro-Quantum Accelerator. Guided sessions, AI tool uses, daily rituals, and community support.